Have you seen this 2024 season comes to an end, TikTok or Instagram Reel trend, and you want to create a video on your own to share with friends and family members? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this, so make sure you stick until the end of this video to learn how it's done. Before we start with the video, make sure you have the TikTok and CapCut applications installed on your device, because we will be using these two applications to create our 2024 season video. Both apps are absolutely free, and they're both available for iPhone and Android devices. So if you have TikTok and CapCut installed, the first step that we will do is to open the TikTok app and then go over to the search bar. In here, we're going to type 2024 season comes to an end, and then hit enter. We will then get a bunch of different videos in our search results, and just find a video which has this template applied. You can select from a wide variety of templates, but I'll select this specific video because I like how this template looks like. We will then click on this CapCut, try this template button right here, and then use template in CapCut. Wait a second or two until this template imports into our CapCut editing app, and then tap on Use Template. This is going to open our photo gallery where our job is to select the photos and videos which we will use for this specific template. So take your time here and select the most memorable moments from 2024. When you make your selection, tap on the next option at the bottom right, and then wait a minute or two until CapCut generates our video. My video is now finished and I can get a preview on how it looks like. And if you're happy with your video and you want to save it to your photo gallery, just tap on the export option at the top right corner and then CapCut will save the video into our photo gallery. That's essentially how you can create this trend for TikTok and Instagram Reels. Happy New Year everyone, and I'll see you soon.